Now, we treat an old Bosch Jigsaw. No, it doesn't look like a Bosch. Somebody said we go with colouring it on, but she is a Bosch. See the colourful badge? That's a 2000 machine, a Millennium machine. Special edition model probably. 22 years old. And she's dead. Right, see what the problem is here. Check the simple stuff first. Check the leading brushes. There's an odd way of changing the blade. A screw type. Pull that handle up. And there's a big screw down through the centre of the tool holder. Clamps down on top of the blade. They're a very reliable tool holder in these machines. Again, bottom screws out completely. Get this thing out. I'll just test this wire in now. Lead's okay. Neutral's good. Switch seems okay. Next thing, the brushes. Wrong one. Bottom one. Just get out of the way now. They're fairly well worn. Now, that's your other brush on there. So we have more dismantling to get into that. Yeah, brushes. A wee bit bigger. She's shiny on top, where she was touching the armature, rubbing against it. That other one is dull. That's because that one's not got the whole way to the armature, and she's arcing across. So it just eats onto the surface, the electrical spark. It dulls it down. Because it's no longer rubbing the armature, she just stays like that. So, just the brushes in this one. It's a wee bit fiddly to change these brushes, but it's very doable. Getting the brushes at this stage may be a problem just because they'll be an old set. Not many people would stock them. We have a lot of old Bosch parts here, so it's not a problem for us. That sits up in there. Just check this as well, because it sounds very rough when I was using it. Just shake the spring. Seems alright. There's something chewing on there. Yeah, there's the problem. Spring snapped inside. So you're just rubbing off the side wall of it. That's the bit there that actually clamps down on top of your blade. She just screws down and pushes it onto the wee T section, holding it tight. So I need that back in and a new spring. So, one new spring. That's it on. That's it tightened. Wrong way around. That's it, nice and tight. That's that fixed. Simple enough one. As always, if you like this kind of content, like tool repairs and tool videos, hit like and subscribe at the bottom. Cheers.